How to clean your Mac screen. Keep in mind, cleaning a Mac screen requires gentle care to avoid damaging the display. Here's how we're gonna do it. Make sure your Mac is turned off or the screen is completely asleep. This helps you see dirt and smudges more clearly. Obtain a clean, soft microfiber cloth. These are designed to remove dust and smudges without scratching the screen. It is important to use a clean cloth. Using a rag that has been used previously may contain dirt that could scratch your screen. Gently wipe the screen using the microfiber cloth. Start from the center and move outward in a circular motion. Avoid pressing too hard as excessive force can damage the screen. Do not use water, alcohol, or any liquid-based cleaning solutions. Moisture can seep into the edges of the display and cause damage. Avoid using paper towels, rough cloths, tissues, or really any abrasive materials, as these can scratch the screen surface. The exception to the no liquids rule is in the event of stubborn smudges or spots. Slightly dampen the microfiber cloth with water and make sure it's only slightly damp and not wet. Gently wipe and then immediately dry it with a dry part of the cloth while cleaning the screen. You might also want to clean the keyboard and trackpad. You can use compressed air to blow away dust and debris from these areas. For the keyboard, you might consider using a soft brush. If you're concerned about keeping your screen clean, consider using a screen protector. This can help minimize direct contact with the screen and make it easier to clean. Remember, gentle cleaning is key to maintaining your Mac screen in good condition. And my friends, that is how you clean your Mac screen.